Are you tired of flimsy, non-stick frying pans that lose their effectiveness over time? Looking for a kitchen companion that promises durability, versatility, and the power to elevate your cooking to a professional level? Look no further than this Lodge Cast Iron Deep Skillet 3-quart Black, the ultimate addition to any kitchen. Key features and benefits. The Lodge Cast Iron Deep Skillet is perfect for a variety of cooking methods. With a 10.25-inch diameter and 3-inch depth, this skillet is ideal for searing meats and veggies to achieve that perfect crispy, caramelized finish. Sautéing your favorite dishes with ease, from vegetables to fish. Simmering soups, stews, and sauces with even heat distribution. Braising meats for rich, flavorful dishes. Baking cornbread, casseroles, and more with consistent results. Roasting vegetables, chicken, and more to perfection. Frying foods like chicken, potatoes, and fritters to crispy, golden perfection. What sets Lodge Cast Iron apart is its unparalleled heat retention and even heat distribution. Unlike other cookware that cools down quickly once you stop cooking, cast iron retains heat for a long time, ensuring that your food stays hot and evenly cooked. This is especially beneficial when you're frying or searing, as it helps achieve consistent results. Whether you're pan frying, searing steaks, or simmering a stew, you can count on this skillet to keep temperatures steady and evenly distributed. Lodge's pre-seasoned cast iron cookware is coated with 100% vegetable oil that is baked into the metal to create a natural, non-stick surface. The more you use the pan, the better the seasoning gets, making it an even better performer with every cook. Lodge is the oldest family-owned cookware foundry in the United States. Based in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, this family-owned company has been crafting premium cast iron cookware for over 100 years. Every Lodge skillet is made with non-toxic, PFOA and PTFE-free materials, ensuring that your cookware is both safe and durable. Lodge is committed to environmental sustainability, recycling materials like oil and sand, and maintaining zero hazardous waste in their foundry. When you purchase the Lodge Cast Iron Deep Skillet, you're investing in a piece of American craftsmanship that will last for generations. The Lodge Cast Iron Deep Skillet works with a variety of heat sources, making it a true all-rounder in the kitchen. Whether you're cooking on gas stoves, electric stovetops, induction stovetops, thanks to its ferrous material, ceramic glass tops, grills, campfires, this skillet can handle it all, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor cooking alike. Its versatility ensures that you can use it anywhere, from your home kitchen to camping trips. Lodge Cast Iron Cookware is known for its extreme durability. This skillet can withstand high temperatures, up to 500 degrees in the oven, and the test of time. When properly cared for, it will last for decades, even generations. Even if the skillet shows signs of rust, which is rare, it can easily be restored by scrubbing the affected area with steel wool, washing it, drying it thoroughly, and reseasoning it. This will allow you to enjoy your skillet for a lifetime. Why choose Lodge Cast Iron? Generations of craftsmanship. Lodge has been crafting cast iron cookware for over a century, producing durable and high-quality products. Sustainability. Lodge's commitment to environmental responsibility is evident in their zero-waste foundry and use of recycled materials. Versatility. Whether you're cooking on a stovetop, in the oven, or outdoors, this skillet can handle it all. Pre-seasoned perfection. The skillet comes ready to use with a beautiful, natural non-stick surface that improves over time. Affordable luxury. Lodge Cookware provides professional quality cooking at a fraction of the cost of other premium cookware brands. Ideal for beginners and home cooks. The Lodge Cast Iron Deep Skillet is the perfect addition to any kitchen, whether you're just starting to cook or are a seasoned home chef. Its easy-to-use, pre-seasoned surface makes it accessible for beginners while still providing professional results. Chefs and food enthusiasts. For chefs looking to achieve precise cooking results, this skillet offers exceptional heat retention and control. It's perfect for creating restaurant-quality dishes in the comfort of your own kitchen. Campers and outdoor cooks. Since the skillet can be used over an open flame, it's an excellent tool for those who enjoy outdoor cooking, whether you're grilling, camping, or cooking over a campfire. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.